I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Phone or Contacts app and locating the person. Once found, tap Edit and then Contact Poster to begin. This makes the change local to that card. You choose Photo, Memoji, or Monogram. Pick Photo to use an existing image, or Memoji for a stylized avatar. Make sure you have the image in your Photos library before continuing, because the editor requires an accessible file. This step sets the stage for precise cropping and style choices. Now, refine the visual. After selecting the image, drag and pinch to position the face or focal point. You want the subject centered and visible in various aspect ratios. Tap Styles to change font, color, and layout so the name contrasts with the background. This helps readability when the poster displays during calls. If your phone supports live photos or subtle effects, enable them for motion. Once done, preview how the poster looks at different sizes to confirm clarity and balance. Finish by tapping Done to save the poster. This applies the new visual to incoming and outgoing displays for that contact. Once saved, make a quick test call or ask the contact to call you so you can confirm the appearance. If you want the poster everywhere, make sure you allowed sharing across devices. Otherwise, set it only for local use. If it fails to show, check Contacts and Photos permissions, restart the phone, and ensure iOS is up to date. Those steps usually resolve sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.